Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Trendy. Thank you for stopping by, and please do well to click on the subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, hi my love, thank you for coming back. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to style your silk scarf in different multiple ways. So if you want to learn how to style a scarf as a top for summer or any other season, then you definitely want to keep watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you end up enjoying it, and let's get started. In this video, I'll be making use of 72 by 36 inch scarf. I got mine from a market here in Nigeria, and you can as well get yours from any market near you. For this style, you start by folding your scarf into 2 equal halves, then hold both diagonal ends together to make a triangle. Tie the ends of the triangle into a double knot and put it behind your neck. Next, grab any silk scarf or any tie that you have. In this video, I make use of a black shoelace rope. Pass it through the inner part of the scarf and then pull it from the front to tie at the back. Adjust the boob area to your satisfaction. Once you are done with your adjustment, your top should look something like this. Very cute, very chic, and very comfortable. For this second style, take your scarf and fold into 2. Next, take the folded scarf over your neck and make sure that the left and right side are of equal length. Take the bottom piece of the left side and the bottom piece of the right side and hold them up together. For this next part, you will need a piece of jewelry. In this case, I use a bangle. Pull the left and the right side that you pick up earlier through the bangle hole and pull tightly. Go ahead and tie it to your back with 2 knots to make sure it is secured. Adjust the boob areas to your satisfaction and you should end up with something like this. This style is more easier. It is perfect if you just want to throw something quickly and go. All you have to do is fold your scarf into 2, wrap it around you like you would a wrapper, and tie it securely in the front. For this style, you definitely need to secure the knot twice to prevent your boob spilling everywhere. Adjust the boob area to your boob size, and here we have a beautiful, easy to wear top. If you don't like the flap in the front, you can also tuck it under the boob area, and just like that, you have a new, complete different look. Start by taking the shorter end of the scarf and tie it around your waist towards the front. I would personally advise that you tie the knot twice to secure it tightly, so as to help stay on your waist. Next, you want to go ahead and twist that all the way to the back. This serves as the base of the top. Next thing you want to do is lift the remaining fabrics to one side of your shoulder. Check that it is secured on both sides of your torso. And then you grab the excess fabrics and twist continuously. If your scarf is long like mine, one thing I do is to go around my neck to give it extra hold, and then I twist the remaining fabric continuously. When that is done, you take the excess material and tuck it through your knotted tie at the back. If your scarf is not as long as mine, then you are good to go. Anyone who has a longer scarf can just twist it all the way in the front and tuck it at the back, and this is the result. A cute, trendy top that you can style any way you want. This next style is one of my favorites. It is so easy to do. You want to start by folding your scarf into two and hold both diagonal ends to make a triangle. Tie the triangle to the side of your torso with just one knot because we are still going to be making a sleeve out of it. To make the sleeve, all you have to do is leave some space between the knots that you just tied and then secured at the top. When you are done tying that knot there, then you should have something like this. This next style is a modified version of something that we've styled already in this video. Basically for this one, you will not be folding your scarf at all. Simply wrap it around yourself and tie one knot in front of you. Next, tie the excess fabrics behind your neck. Make sure you tie the knot twice for more security. Next, you want to tuck in the excess fabrics into your skirt or your pants or whatever you're wearing at the bottom. The great thing about silk scarf is that they don't bunch up at your waist because the material is so light. So when you're done tucking in both the front and the back of the fabric, your top should look something like this. This style is a bit easier to achieve. You want to start by folding your scarf into two and then wrapping it around your body. This time around, you just make one knot and then the extra fabric is tied behind your neck. Adjust around your boob area and then you're good to go. For the more endowed girlies, I promise this style still works. I am busty and I rock it regularly. For this next look, fold your scarf as seen in the video with one end shorter than the other and tie it in front of you twice. Next, turn it all the way to the back. Lift up the excess fabric to your shoulder and make a knot with that. You can use your hand to make sure the knot is secure at the right spot. That's what I did in this video. Next, you are going to take the extra fabric after tying and put it to the back. Pass that fabric over and over again over the knot to make sure it is secure and you have yet another beautiful top that you can wear anywhere this summer. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in my next video. Bye.